So we're a bit more on this lovely Merc. The gentleman's going to open the bonnet so we can see the beautiful V8 and the engineering. Now this is a fairly original car apparently. It hasn't been subject to a big restoration. It just shows how, I mean, look at the paint on it. It looks great, doesn't it? It shows how well they were engineered. I think the fuse is blown on the wipers, that's all, and the windows.
The thing is, I don't even know where the fuse box is.
Well, that's what Google's for.
That's what my boss is for, it's his car.
Well, he's invested well, hasn't he? God, he got a bargain. Look at that lovely Merc V8.
It's just going to come on 100,000 miles.
Right.
When we got it, it came with the original bill of sale.
Right. Car, lovely.
I know.
I missed buying a the 6 litre odd version one of these many years ago, and they go for mega money.
He's got the 5 litre SE. What is it?
Yeah, they call it
convertible.
Oh right, okay, yeah.
The SEL is it?
Nice.
Is it? No, this is an SEL. What's the other one? It's a
SL.
Yeah.
Probably, yeah. There's
It's
a few
coupe.
SLs here actually.
Yeah. But this one's a coupe, I think.
Oh, nice. So
A
that's...
Porsche and a Jensen and a Jaguar.
He likes his car. He's not Mr. Haynes, is he? Oh no, he died. Fantastic. Look at the little things for smokers. Perfect for flicking your fag ash out.
That's perfect because now the windows don't.
Yeah, at least you got some ventilation here, see? Mercedes thought of everything, even back then. An incredible condition. And he got it for a song, didn't he? We won't mention the money, that would be rude, but he got it for a song.
The seats were original as well.
Lovely. Oh, the Merc leather just is... I don't know, they got it off rhinos, I think. Yeah, I don't think it's from a cow. It just lasts and lasts and lasts. Original seats, look at that. Incredible. Wow, that's incredible. Oh, look at that dash. These cars are charming. Absolutely charming. And that's solid clunk, isn't it? Mercedes-Benz quality. And this is how you put the fuel in it. So that took a while to work out. It's a bit Bond-like, isn't it?
The old consoles. Ford consoles.
Yeah.